So this is a Braniff Lockheed Electra in 1/50th scale metal. It's been professionally refinished by me, Henry Tenby. This is a quick edition of Model Moment, and I believe this is a Lockheed factory model. Either that or a raise-up model, hard to tell. The stand is replacement, but the model itself has been restored to museum-grade quality with automotive clear coats. So this model will provide decades of viewing and collecting enjoyment for you or your heirs. It's a great investment, this model. It's made of aluminum, two-piece aluminum. There are screws on the underside that, well, you can see there's a screw right here. An Allen wrench removes this screw, and then, of course, the fastening screw is attached to the stand. The model is absolutely mint, fresh from the paint shop. This is a 2024-2025 restoration. And as I say, the clear coat is very high quality automotive clear coat, high gloss. It will protect the model from UV discoloration for many, many years, if not forever, I would venture to say. It's a very, very high quality paint. And the model is quite heavy. The wings do remove from the stand and from the fuselage to make the shipping on this model quite easy. I like the detail on the props, the movement. That's kind of a neat feature on this model. And the price of the model is $39.95 US funds, and it can be shipped anywhere in the world, of course. If you have the budget, I can ship it anywhere. It can be packaged in basically one of these boxes here, which is a, what's the dimensions on this box? 12 by 12 by 40. So the wings come off and the fuselage, the whole thing can fit into that box. So you're looking at 12 by 12 by 40, a weight of about 20 pounds, and you can figure out what your shipping costs will be wherever you happen to live. I'm filming this video in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, and this is a one-off model. There's only one of these that I have. This is it. So once it's sold forever. It's an absolute masterpiece of historical Americana. Braniff International is a very attractive color scheme on the Lockheed Electra, and this color scheme would date from about 1965. The registration, of course, is authentic to the colors, N9704 Charlie. And what a beautiful model this is. I hope you're enjoying the video. And if you'd like to discuss the model, of course, feel free to send me an email. I'd be happy to hear from you. And I can answer any questions that you may have. My email is henrytenby@gmail.com. That's henrytenby@gmail.com. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. If you've enjoyed the video, definitely look forward to seeing your comments in the comments section on this video. And thanks for watching. Hi there, my name is Henry Tenby, and I'd like to tell you about my brand new book. It's called From Lodestars to Jets, and it's the most image-heavy, comprehensive, it's the most extensive history on Air Canada, Trans-Canada Airlines that has ever been published in the annals of aviation history. The book is absolutely loaded with images, that many of which have never been seen before. Let's have a look at the pages, and then you can decide if this book deserves a spot on your bookshelf. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of the book. Isn't that gorgeous? It is printed on 105 GSM paper, so it's super high quality paper. It is absolutely loaded with images. As I say, there are approximately 600 images, just under 300 pages. Many of these images have never been seen before. And the stories that are within these pages, many of them have long been forgotten, and it is information that is absolutely fascinating relating to engineering and fleet planning and fleet development issues at Trans-Canada Airlines. Look at that Viscount wing structure design, feathering system. We've got a section on the Bristol Freighter, some face changes around TCA engineering, and then sections on the Connie. Models make moolah, of course, for you aircraft model fans. Whole sections on the Connie North Star. There we go. Engineering Department, 1950. Fabulous shot taken at, where's this? Cartierville. Absolutely gorgeous. And this will take you back to the good old days of TransCanada Airlines. As I say, I believe this is the most comprehensive history on TransCanada, Avro Jetliner, that's right. TransCanada Airlines was instrumental in the development of this aircraft. Of course, up to the jet age, the introduction of service to the DC-8s, and other airplanes that were considered by TCA at the time. This is not the same old Air Canada history that we've seen many times over the decades. This is all brand new information, brand new stories. I've posted a link in the upper right-hand corner of this video that'll take you to the book information and order page. Also, I should point out that time is of the essence. Limited production on these books. Once they're sold out, they're probably sold out forever. And I hope you will enjoy the book as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Thank you very much.